Okay, here I have hydrogen peroxide, and of course this hydrogen peroxide is only how many percent? He said
3%.
3%, yeah. They only allow you to sell 3% hydrogen peroxide because you are not allowed to bring this onto the plane. You'll see why, okay? And now I pour this hydrogen peroxide, which has the formula of H2O2,
O2.
one oxygen atom more than water. So this by right should have a lot of energy compared to plain water. Okay. Now if I want to heat this using by itself, if I would heat it by itself, okay. Alright. Come. If I were to heat it by itself, like that, you will find that very little amount of oxygen will be produced. Those are not oxygen, those are hydrogen peroxide boiling. And if I want to find whether those are oxygen or not, what do? I get a glowing spleen and dip it inside. Oh no oxygen, it gets extinguished. So that's no good. Heating hydrogen peroxide will not form water and oxygen. But having said that, if I were to take a boiling tube, okay, and this time I put this in hydrogen peroxide, okay, and I put a little bit of what we call a catalyst. Now this catalyst is what formula?
Manganese.
Manganese dioxide. Manganese dioxide. So what I do, manganese dioxide is called manganese 4 oxide because then the manganese there has got the oxidation state of 4. Okay, 4 plus, 4 plus. So I then put this inside, and you see with this little amount of manganese 4 oxide, let's see what happens. Put your finger over it to cover. We try to cover that, hold this as well. Hold the bottom here. Then now we try to, is the pressure building up? A bit, Okay. Check it a bit, check it out and check it out. Okay. Now I want to get the glowing spring and immerse it inside. Okay. This is the glowing spring. Okay. There you go. Voila! Wow! It bursts into flame, which means that the oxygen content there has become much more to be able to rekindle a glowing spring, and that's why hydrogen peroxide or peroxide are banned from entering the plane cabin. Why?
Because they can relight flames.
Yeah, because you can, from a small flint, from a small spark, you can put the spark into a flame. Now, this time I want to do something different, which I saw in YouTube. I thought I would try to do this, okay? Now, I put a little bit of dishwashing liquid. A little bit of dishwashing liquid. Okay? This might be messy. And then a little bit of coloring. This is a food coloring. I think it's yellow. I don't know, it doesn't look like yellow right now. It doesn't look like yellow. Okay. And now I put a little bit of manganese peroxide inside. Okay. Okay. Alright. So now let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if I were to put hydrogen peroxide inside. Shake it around. It doesn't come out, it doesn't come out. Sometimes when it's very concentrated, the whole bubble will rise above like that. Or it's rising right now. It's rising. So what is actually happening is what? What do you think is happening? What do you think is happening? The oxygen is trapped in the bubble. Okay? The oxygen is trapped in the bubble. And therefore, if I were to put this inside, what do you think will happen?
Flames.
I don't know. No. It grows brighter, can you see?
Yeah.
As the bubble bursts, can you see it grows brighter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay. It only grows brighter. Let's see. Let's burst the bubble and see. Very messy. Okay. Very, very messy, but never mind. Yeah, clean it up. Good, clean it up.